Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. In today's video, I'm going to discuss the few things that Google messed up on with the Pixel 4 XL. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, I'm going to talk about the things that Google messed up on with the Pixel 4 XL. You see it on Twitter, you see it on other YouTube channels that Google really messed up on. So I just want to give you my opinions on it and give you some few things that I believe that Google could do better with the Pixel 4 XL. I will try not to make this video too long, so let's get into it. The first thing that they really messed up on is just the build of the phone. It's such a 2019 phone. It has a glass front and a glass back. Now, also what they messed up on, who wants a matte finish glass? I mean, I need to see fingerprints. I mean, come on, Google. Nobody wants a phone where you barely can see the fingerprints in the back when you hold it. Who asked for that? Did you? Did I? Nobody, Google. You're not listening to your friends. Look, this is what we want to see. See the fingerprints on this phone? I don't even know if you can see the fingerprints, but trust me, when you hold it, the fingerprints is there. That's what we want. We want to have to put our phone in a case because we don't want to get it scratched up and we don't want it to, show the fingerprints. We didn't ask for this. Nobody asked for this, Google. So that's the first thing they really messed up on. I don't think they're listening to their fans because they would have gave us a fingerprint magnet if they did. The second thing that they messed up on is actually the display. Why? Why, Google? 6.3-inch POLED display. Nobody asked for a POLED display. And you gave us a 2K screen with a 90 Hz refresh rate. Google, who asked for that? You could have kept your screen an LCD screen. Google, you could have gave us some weird ratio like 2400 by 1116 or something. We didn't ask for a 1440p screen. I mean, for $899, I mean, Apple gets away with it with an 828 screen or like 1135 screen. You didn't have to give us a 2K screen. I mean, I don't know. I'm kind of disappointed that they gave us such a beautiful screen when they could have kept it LCD. Save me some money, and I would have been perfectly okay with it. What y'all think? Y'all let me know in the comment. The next thing I want to talk about, also about this beautiful phone here. Google did another mistake. Why improve on the wireless charging? OnePlus gets away with not having it. We don't need wireless charging on the phone. I mean, it's overrated. It's 2019. Also, IP68 rating. Do you know you could have saved us some money also like OnePlus and not worry about getting it rated? I mean, who's going to go swimming with their phone anyway? I don't swim with my phone. Do y'all swim with y'all? Google, if you're listening to this video, listen to your fans. I repeat, listen to your fans. We don't need water resistant IP68 rating. We don't need wireless charging, and even to improve it, to go up to 11 watts and not really talk about it, you could have stuck with slow wireless charging like 3 watts, and I think everybody would have loved it. You did what he did, now we have to live with it, we have to pay the price for it. The other thing, Google, you messed up on is giving us the latest software of your operating system. Be like LG. Be like Samsung and give us Android 9.0. We don't need Android 10. We didn't ask for it. Don't stop sending an update. Save you some money. Just give us the old operating system and we will be happy. A lot of people will be happy. They don't care. Updates don't matter, Google. Don't you see that on Twitter? I know you follow everybody on Twitter. I know you see that. Updates don't matter. Give us Android 9. We don't care about updates. Security patches are overrated. Twitter, I know you see that on Twitter. Google, I know you see that on Twitter. I know you're following. I'm sorry, Team Pixel, this is making you totally mad. I understand that you're a fanboy of the Google Pixel. I'm sorry, they made some mistakes this year. Hopefully they listen to this video and fix their problem. The last thing I want to bring up Google where you messed up is just the overall camera software. I don't know why you keep on trying to improve it. You try to improve Night Sight. I mean, everybody else is bringing up Night Sight now and they're trying to come after you. Don't worry about Night Sight. Who really takes pictures at night anyway? I mean, it's nighttime. You should be in bed, right? Don't update your number one software. When I didn't have a Pixel before, everybody's like, oh, you got to get a Pixel because the software is so good, the cameras are so good. You don't have to update it every year. You can stay the same way. LG did it. Samsung did it. So don't update your camera software. Just keep the same one and everybody will be happy. Another thing, really, you have to make a face at me. Every time I look at your phone, if my camera will focus, you have a smiling face. Look, there's a face on me. Come on, Google. I don't know what you did this year with the Pixel 4. I don't know if you listened to your fans or not. I don't think you really did. It's kind of disappointment this year. I don't know, Google. What am I going to do? I think I'm going to just throw the phone away in the garbage. Just throw it away and move on. Take my loss. Okay, everyone. If you actually liked this video, if you thought it was cool, let me know in the comments. Let's get a discussion. Do you agree with all my thoughts? Do you actually believe everything that I said in this video? If you do, I'm sorry for you, because I'm actually really enjoying this phone so far. Don't believe the hype on Twitter or other YouTube videos. The phone is really great. If you haven't checked it out yourself, go get it. Use it for a bit. If you don't like it, yeah, you can always return it. But I think you really would enjoy this phone. But y'all let me know in the comments what y'all thought about it. Let's have a friendly discussion. Now, if you do like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Hit that notification bell. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Ford's Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Share this with Google. Share it with your friends. I think Google will hear our voice and make this phone better next year with the Pixel 5. I can't wait to see what actually comes out with the Pixel 5. Maybe they will listen to us. But also, it's been fun. This video was awesome to make. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.